Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this mega set of lint rollers. This is perfect for your home, for clothing, sofas, anywhere that lint gets accumulated. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. When you receive your package, this is what it's going to look like. You get it in a little box like this. Go ahead and open it up. So let's take one of these out. So you do get 4 of these handles right here, and then you get an additional lint roller for replacement. So you get 4 total, then you get 4 replacements, so a total of 8 rolls. This is perfect because you could actually have these around the house. You could place one in your car, one in your bedroom, one in the restroom, one in the kitchen, one in the living room, anywhere that lint gets accumulated. Let me go ahead and take one out. So immediately as I took off the paper, you could see the lint roller is right beneath it. So this is what the lint roller looks like. And to replace this, I want to just show you, you just want to go ahead and pinch right here, and that lint roller is going to come out. So you could go ahead and place the replacement in here. So this is what the lint roller looks like. And then you just want to pinch on those 2 little knobs. And then to place the new one, just slide that one in. So if you have pets, or if you like to lint roll your furniture or your clothing before heading out for the day, then this is perfect. Let's go ahead and try this out on my pants and see how it works. All right, so this is what my pants look like. As you can see, I have some lint, I have some dog hairs, I have some regular hair. Now I'm gonna run the lint roller. All you wanna do is just slide it through. Take a look how easy that is, and within seconds you have no more lint, no more hair, just running it back and forth. All right, so I want to give you a closer look on that. Look at that lint roller, how it got all that hair, that lint. And to replace it, you just want to go ahead and peel this back. Take a look. Super simple. And just like that, you have a new fresh lint roller. So check it out. I completely removed it. This is what it looks like. All you have to do is just toss that and you're ready to go. Now your lint roller is ready to be used. So each lint roller actually comes with 110 sheets per roll. So that is a total of 880 sheets for this whole pack. So I absolutely love that 4 of these were included, and you also get the replacement. So you get the refills in here. I think it's super simple to use. I think they're super simple to refill. They are super simple to remove the old one and start using the fresh sheet. So overall, if you've been on the lookout for a value pack for lint rollers, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and link them down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.